Hello guys, glad to see you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to move files to a folder in Dropbox. So let's get started. First of all, just upload your image or file to Dropbox. For example, we will use this image and I want to move this image to this folder. Okay, and now this folder is empty. Go back to all files, and to move this image you need to hover your mouse over the file and click on the three dots icon at the top right. And in this list just find the move option. Click on it. Okay, you'll see this window, and here you can select where you want to move your file. For example, to this folder. Just select it and click on move. Now wait a bit. Okay, moved one item to 1. This is the name of our folder. Let's open it, and here you'll see this file. So this is how you can easily move your files to a folder. Hope my video was clear for you and it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.